Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best rotary tools in the market. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. APEXFORGE. The working angle of the flexible shaft should not be less than or equal to 45 degrees, otherwise the flexible shaft will heat up and be damaged. Equipped with a keyless 3-jaw chuck, which can fix accessories without using a wrench and can be quickly and easily replaced accessories from 1/64 to 1/8 inch shank. Compact design makes it lightweight and suitable for hand size. The main body of the power rotary tool adopts an ergonomic streamlined design, which makes it easier and more comfortable for long time working. Cutting guide is suitable for different depth cutting and keeps good perspective and stability. Number 4. AVID Power. Compact and lightweight body makes it light and easy to handle for delicate tasks and finer work. Rubber-covered handle with anti-slip function provides a comfortable grip for better control. 4 front LED lights illuminate dark working spaces. Variable speed indicator and battery charging light allow for convenient use. Spindle lock allows easy and quick accessories change. With the 8-volt output, 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery, this rotary tool can generate strong and steady power. Variable speeds from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, allowing for flexible adjustment of rotation speed. Number 3. Dremel. High-performance 1.2 amp motor provides maximum power and performance at all speeds. Slim and ergonomic body with soft grip allows for added comfort and control during extended use. Ideal for cutting, engraving, grinding, sharpening, detail polishing and sanding. Great for a variety of DIY and crafting projects like metal engraving and glass etching. Ideal for cutting, engraving, grinding, sharpening, detail polishing and sanding. Great for a variety of DIY and crafting projects like metal engraving and glass etching. Speed range of 5,000 to 35,000 RPM with 6 variable speeds, provides precise tool control and maximum accessory versatility. Number 2. GOXAWEE. The variable speed adjustment knob showing 5-step speeds from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. By adjusting the speed you can make delicate engravings on wood, glass, metals, plastics, tile and other materials with control easily. Its ergonomic compact rotary tool design makes it handhold size, lightweight, not make the loud noise. Flexible shaft holds like a pen for your precise projects. Cover shield provide better protection for cutting and grinding. Drill locator helps for precision work on wood. Diamond cutting wheel is the best tips for glass, ceramic, floor tile etc. Versatile accessories include a pair of extra carbon brush, rescue you from searching new set and saving money. Number 1. WEN 23072 variable speed dial allows for operation from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM in increments of 5,000 RPM. Lightweight design weighs in at a mere 0.6 pounds to limit fatigue during operation. Rechargeable 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery allows for cordless operation. Versatile tool cuts, sands, polishes, drills, carves, etches, deburrs and more. The lightweight 0.6-pound tool limits fatigue during operation, allowing users to carve small and complex designs into glass, plastic, wood, steel and more. The handy carrying case makes transportation and storage easier than ever. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.